You know. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Adeshimarima. May I say Emma Wakoba the program Odo Ahomaso. Nyame amaye nwo. Wa maye ni menwa se. Oni ye dofo kese. Ode ya hye Korea tabana se Emma enne ya wenso no. Atome atowo atu ebusuafo nyinara. Ye da se esama wakwa babiom. Ye be sorry so donko no. Na niye wose wu hu niye wose wo tiase watiase anna mompa wose wutuo no na wogusutu de ampese obetuo no watimi aka be mejan wo be me se me nye. That is your boldness. Me da se enenya me nko a na mom me ne mebusuafo ene ye hia wa ha beautician baako and a Reverend Minister Sobako. And unti Auntie Abna the beautician. At say
what the other room.
And they work on the classic class. Charlie. As a bank manager, Bino, sir. Manageress, Bino, sir. Chalo do. Now see the But I say, why is that tough and why dare? And when you know, I Reverend Minister, Reverend Usua, Ahuga, you know what? Ukuma die. Wow. Men ka say ira meto bi. Nemo e to mam.
Mati. No shake you ni how.
I talk transit straight up kakama. That's right. Emu da. Me da say.
Thank you.
Me da say. Adeshimarima wontia na eche ha. Yansu yentia na wona ye. Yansu yentia na wobodewra ma obi say enne ya we. Se wo hwe da hwe. Na se de mu pene no. Sa na me ye mamo. Dodo ni sa kuma na ye nim. First no sabe na ye hu ade but ye hu se ye nim se na oboa ye. It is 6 positions na we yi dada na ye ntie na ya nhwe no. This time ye pese ye hu. Muntie na repeat yo. Muntia na 6 position no educational sex position. And no any egusu yi mamu enti mesre. Momo bia ya mo mebusuafo na mo di dwa o mo no eho ni mfaso bia wo bia nim se educational sex position na me kire enti mesraw wo mebusuani bi mo a ya abomaba so fama no se mo nua be wa ya ade o aboa yen o na criticize na mo de ma na eho hia emfa nipa pimpim na aboa o mo chen empoano anwea educational sex position aboa wo mo yie papa enti mesra mo obesu esua unsuensu akawa no tum. Honestly. Sex position na make sure no. Obesuensu be boa o. So na unsuensu aya no akawa no atum. Why? Na be boa o yie papa. Me dan say, Nancy anka obi kunu jani, kenye sex position ka asem enti me pa acho. Wona wo so ye suru abofo. Enti betimi atena wade ye ho saa. Wona wo se wo de wo na ababa abasi so, me ka se hye wo dross a wo so won hye koso tonko. Deja hone tonko ema weni beba ho so na aka akire no kran na meka no yesi no kran so anyon no kran so anyon dodo no kran na ye sha se de 2000 aye ka kotie atwenwasem ma obanye se komudi matem kwa se o magyan o manu o ho o mu no afa ebo ama me na de na fe na wo so wo sha se me da say anajo black mosquito ko na yenye mu ankade aye yo yenye mu ankade aye ye da mu aso papa sis mama ye adwuma ye hwe ye kotoni ye tonwa sisi ya na asa efise obi enim se e wo 12 hours etu ne bo e na ahye hwe uda dem kana enya wo hwe na mo ntutuma wo se ekunu no e na ekunu mpu kana e wo se ini pie no e na ini pie enkanka de afumu gate no ai fly away flies killer enuni e ma dodo na wo ma adwemu da ho no mo ton ne no won pese won sene bia e be sina ade ton no so entu aso bia si nchen ekukumu flies ni nyina e ma ne ko enu echi no so ye insecticide spray no papa no e di spray corners ni nyina mpuru ka kunye no nyina no ato dan ne mu e kaka no akoda Shall me coil cra, obetimi aso abonten na woten 12 hours. Ni nyina be hiegu we de etronebo na ne hwa no. your friend perfume. Hey, just on a job, musical and mad and cardia, yo. Say, yes, service capa, young for malaria, be and hospital, and cuckoo. Ah, you don't must say, so my say, as my year after year. Ahuga.
No shaking.
Yes, shaking.
2017 shaking.
No shaking. No shaking.
Yes, she am on the way. Because baby, I no pardon my woman. Baby, say we are baby, say I'm matching. They say someone say, Odo Ahomaso. Our money about my tree back, woman Zimbi, and in penny for a cuckoo dam, etimono. Ye educated woman, inform woman, and my empowerment. It's not the entertainment aspect, no, Eba. And here you have all the nitty gritties of your life, your marriage, your relationship, and how you lead day-to-day life. Yeah, that's it. And I didn't walk.
No, sir. Now, first, I saw about for cray free, so be beja. Who says, away be.
Who? I know the no cray.
I'm be a giant, so I'm worry baby, sir. International,
what I'm saying, sir, we need to educate them about sex.
I know that's a
young someone get.
Doctor, send you how can they be? Do one an 8 year. Me do one an air catcher, Miss Abonay. More ya dear. Catch your mamma or more ya dear. Is that I do 1 8 year? I dear. Doctor, ye any pain now. You hear a credit pain in our crowd over, dear. So what you say?
I am penny, sir.
It is, sir. Near Badon or Badon, near Baton or Baton. Yes, Christo no be wooji and quano. A be a day, etano.
And ya the papa now, we are Sanko being soon, see a more moonsoon ye be. Aye, at the tre, sir, Emma. Sanya woka no bi ananka na ware aya kodota a sugar ne ho sa eye buato say gina opinti sa different styles here we obo akura no nim onim enu asa da bia oda ho chenchire say manye de ahuja so a chenchire no bare
on kente no ho it is also measure ene doctor eyi bamako me dem person bamako so what you say Obuano say, say na Bamakoi, you will move styles, sir. And you just straight. And then my man tries to the area there. No,
because you know why we are be man a front, a man be brom quabo and take up pema for Fronyashu. Neither no ban who are there be a
1 way style.
Banchi, do you not the whole 1 way, sir? Or the Nessa kind of crown, who are that now had you there be a Nicola who be obeying complain.
1 way style.
1 way sound, sir, or Bayman and so dear, well, when it's here. Sir, or Catache man, a homeless sewer, or therefore, per baby, a dinitira. So I went to so in the stars, sir. On a one take one now, who I've been crying the only 3 months. I'll say, Mamma, come, drop for her. Ah, may quack with dinner, doctor, no dear, so I know. Am I warriors?
Be Brena any sort, be Brena any jeep program, no. Be Brena come for. Inside into the young quarter do on the side, you know. So what I say, near more medication, no. So what the own best position are? See any a year cano, never mwaba, never be too bra, never be bow warrior, never be calling him. What sorry mo? So I saw for baby quiet day.
Anyway, sir, one more pill. Don't want to ya tomb. Ya be muye. Now me say don't waste your energy. I would go catch through a bit. Now go catch and say no way me then. A bit me be so because guarantee I come akra no dey be your position no. O dey be here there. Ana wo here there. And onya wa asa. O be tie. Won die so a tumuda. O wa dey say no because trust ni ho. Eh?
Oh, baby, say.
Oh, baby, say.
Oh, me a kuma. That be a wooden no more.
I'm not canasem.
Mokotra, no more. Stars here, yes, say, no, a kuma, Nikuno, in his stars, and I'm saying, Pacha,
Doctor, my son, Yahoo got me. Doctor, I don't know who. Oh, I must say. We are sure, say, stars no yen. What's me, Namsana? The Mamma Mazimi won't. Oh, your face.
Me e fit now who me there.
That be not talented.
That be who me them.
That be who the pan also your face.
Who me there.
Who's in the job? Me no good in the job. I know person ben na Breza. Education.
Anyway.
Now what you no be on them. And I will do home.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Anyway. Augustine Odo Ahomaso edi infie edu son nyame adamenti na the American say nyame ya adomwa Augustine ebeto yen na eto yen so a na Odo Ahomaso edi infie pore 17 solid years asida na edi me rade. It hasn't been easy. Yegusukra eko. Enso na damenti. Omaya botoyem, omaya energy no, omaya knowledge no. Ema mrebia no, yenya other people, momo de omu nimdie ebe ka ho. Ya frefo ene ahwefo mpo ene sei, yenye ni powerful do bebre a, womo ehwe, eye mpaibo, eye no kredie, enya misro. Eye se me de me ho adim, ene menye ebinu so mo de mo ho adim. Enti ni mapana ye beka no mebo mode asem obeso enkankan rantie ene mabawa yesu so hwedodo every festive season bia no se obi enwu a obinya broken heart obinya yade obinya niema bebre doesn't mean say you trust your partners enti and as a occasion ba you be see you see that occasion no na yedi ye bibi o mama ninji mama nye say yen kasma wo bi ninji o but I think so we should do everything in moderation. Ahuga
asamu come papa bene na ye no ho no so my dear Easter be ubedi ne say oba no na ebisa be ma no was I'll disappear and reappear in 3 days as Jesus did. Or say obayira nansa na nansa so no wasan apia basani ayesu ye no e na na yire nti fine na yire ne ono so bi sa na yire ne say na so Easter obedi so o say me so me se Mary makonyin say na me dia.
No, this is serious issue and conversation koso who dey muntie but bia na ne partner no or the fan agro so. But indeed, Bebana can aboso as much no. So yes. Why can't a boso as much as I say, we're 2 oba chick.
Yeah.
So 1 for bone so a more bano. Not just ninu cran so sa Easter no. Say the one can son obey no. No ba for front nansa. Na odina ni nansa wi wasan abafie so ahu and oba ne say obi say oba no oba say means so be man so oba say Jesus oba ira nansa so no wanyame abafie and oba say means so me say mere me so meko no obi akonyinsan na abrekon a woni me ana na me de abre o se kwasia wani mu hapa wo ya boda wadwe nya jupa
me ma ni mo bo so disappear na appear na de wega
wo de o kan ye no oba no de onya nipa nya ne ya no oba ne kan ye de no to kwasia wagime pa boda wadwe nya juma hu nsa wo de ye o ya ento ema ni me ma warefo mo te wo no wo be ka sama kire partner adwene ho asama wonim sa wo be ka emwa no a be ma ne ra ho no men ka gro ni bi wo ho are expensive any sa we so
yeah na jam no be ka won say Easter season ba ya hwe yie na wo say ye hwe yie Easter wo ho de bia ye ka Yesu wuda ye wi ye sorry ye so what you say until say I sorry program na wo kwa bibia ya hwe yie wo de office ye nka so bia nyi nani enti se wo kwaji wani a hwe yie e wo bebi ko a wo kɔ no se bibi na akwakɔtena bebi anoma hwe yie because afi bi edru a bibisi afi bi edru a Easter dru a bibisi sa na Xmas so dru bibisi enti se ne be ya wo betimi atwe ho afiri mu no wo kwa ka na kita wa na wa drive bɔkɔ se krom eye kradada na wo baby wo de wanamo beden ebesi enkoye ade a wo be ko baba no wa de na wanu ho say is the drew oh me ko pepo so me ko ha me ko se wo be ko koye ade ko de no na ne nansa so no wanu ho enko apia na ni sa apia enfa adwia
but you think say ne nansa so wanu ho yeah immediately after the act no na enu ho aba enye 2 days but immediately after the act no na enu ho aba na enu ho ba na wo ye ne den
wonu say Easter bebre be ko be poso omo be kwanyenye mo ma
oh enye be poso nko
bebre
enye poso nko wo bo ho onko kwawu obeko Volta obeko Somanya obeko Kumase obeko Enkrahabo wonko ba bia all we are saying is say afi enchaba enye nipa nyina so na afi to enti etu ye ne ani age ba ye age ye ni a momiema ye ni enna ho because eni je bebrebe no ewie na dia reho enna aba ye ma ye ni enna ho enko is good say we save so obeka kwaji wani banka sike na de kwaji wani no me de minya ya na nka wache mu half na we save bi now the half akọ because wo koi amane ise bebrebe si
ye kasa ni chop money ofie
great ye kasa se boni enko tu obi but we a caution ene ye de mo bibia say ma weni enna wo so enye bebia ye bonyum bia na wo sa wo kọ enye bebia ye dede bia na wo sa wo kọ wo betimi anamu quietly na why a niema very very decent enko provoke obiara so ene de caution ene de ma ye nyina Easter ekwa ye meko Somanya ebi beko takrade segedi takwa mo so mo festival kra mo so wo mo di I mean niema bebre e wo ho ba ye caution a driver for ekunu eyire so obo ho na ekunu abrochire ne yire wo Ghana ha ne yiri wa brochire ni kun wo Ghana ha afa ne se me ri ni ho onim se nye den a Easter be de metu come but na afa no free na free so de ensem bebre aha enti no ye kai mo niama mo mai na ho bada asa bi no ma mi ni dodo obo ai be breaking the virginity this Easter festival
na wa rekre good that day na
me da say obi so benye krupa obi so benye chade enti ye pe niama pa no ai be ba no ti e pese niama pa bebre esi
obi obi o hia ne dofo
wo obi obi hia ne dofo sabe wo ko jawa nan kra na ebu o public toilet kra e na ko hia ne dofo obi ko tu nru egu obi hia ne dofo obi nya achede bi bia obi ko ne yare empaso e no hia ne dofo
ya admit no hospital ho no ko hia ne dofo mo ya ifuro
ne nyina wo ho ba ye mpese beti a Easter festival nyina bewie na afa ko ye nsem bebre ensanum bebre te so cigarette num bebre te so we num bebre te so ko ke ni man sa ni me nye but obi na agen say Easter we die enye de ansan manum bi
na doctor wonu so obi pewu akun ansewa se wo obi a wo pensa otimi nya wo mu pa mote ho enum na obetimi de adragu wonim wonum ya wo chena na wakohwero nkwanti asre moma sane a doctor ka moma mani nda ho ensanom woni na fufuo pia hweyi aduane a mubedi kura hweyi na etire nya bofra ne apamu ahwe eniema ewo mu nanka ya pamu na uhu niema wadafo tight friend pa woni ne nam adwemfie woni ho a ohu ono sra enka nam anka behweyi
ka behweyi wadafo obi kwa wankasa wonua na wade enkoso what ye koso na djuma nkoso what ye koso onye yefura wo ba wonu onye ebi mu ba ne kunu ne ya tete enso be sewa hwese okun defo kokko wankasa onye mbakra no betan so enti ahweye ena eye wonim se ya hye January se February abetwem March abetwem April ene ya hyase enso wokunu bi eye ne ye bia ne yiri eni nye ho
yes
wo yiri bi ye bibi bia ne kun eni nye ho boyfriend bi ye bibi bia ne girlfriend ni nye ho boyfriend my girlfriend si bibi bia ne boyfriend ni nye ho ni na ya kan ho but up to now there is no change and sakraye emaye ogusu ye said de oye na ebi ne se wo de ekwan anfa so ne ema ne di agro wo yiri se ne ni nye ho wo yire o se ne nye ekwan a wo fa so ene emma edi agro won so wo se emma no ne omodi agro keke hwinim ezinya ade a wo begyae
don start to mu kom feel mano do mu pie wo se
especially etifike siem me kai se matra compound house da bi dan papa ye police ni embarrassing compound house ara na obi wo ho a niema esisi ababa wetem bi papa ibedidi abonti no mu didie o se mebe dibi on friend because de bia oni ni kun didi wie I mean there are so many things or srebono or srebo yire wo so wompe but that's now what does so here. Do you think when things are happening like this you would trust your wife or trust your husband and not trust your boyfriend or girlfriend? Because these issues are here okay. Sometimes a fee relationship this are they real anymore. So would they be trusting those things? Ahuga.
No, are they we yes not just our partner who in a because they na wo your so ompe jai me kan me obey ma wo your ba obey be a madam for o mu a ma be huku nsai na o yempie na me nu apie ni akọ no monsa ni aba wo bisa me so onya me hwe madam for wo be hwe no na aguro bi suso ni mu wutime fe na no na de wo betime kra ne nko ahye da mu saa ebia mu hwe tibia na bibi wahu do ebia nya o show but wo ahye na wo ye no wahu wo partner ni ye nipa
ya wo kasa hwe
wo partner ni ye nipa ebeye ne ya na ebia wo obema no wadwi mu fa so wedu e madam for keke enti no me de meneni e free keke but oba no ebia no pe na wuwu nim so ahu into odisa nkakra no build the bridge or build the bridge and sana wani beba so no ahuku afi wo yire nsem na say to us emema yesam mamani na oba bi nso a woni mema ye fro bu horse me de me na fufuo nyina ye mema me ne ma anya na fufuo wo ware a we a different person mema wo no mo ye na fufuo no me nkasa no mo nya aka hu mo hello na akọ baby na no beta to be na wo ne no mo na mo ha wo ahuku ne nsa mo ye se mo didi bom na mo ye
ofi kromo bakra no a to achede no be cha mo bia ofi ho yen can say enye o I mean yen can say I'm strong and I be bisa but who are I think there are certain things it was serious relationship it was certain things it was a wakati or you know and I will kuno or boyfriend as or girlfriend one no one complaining about it
sir
you are very very jealous I become jealous in the ground uncalled for and you know the but nippon it me what's say now okay say Kwame A B C D oh yeah me who say buoma because who say yes I know ohun okunu fa buoma no ohun yiro on fa buoma no ohun girlfriend on fa buoma no ohun boyfriend on fa buoma no enti e complain we nyina my partners now they are not able to stop almost say we have nothing to do with them apna adenti na ontimi enyaye ana on minimize it dia oyeno ubetimi akome Instagram page at Akuma Mazimbi never our comments not started bra I'm going to read everything because it's my really broad maybe you faced it before how did you stop it let us know send me your comments on my Instagram page Medase thank you so much
Dr. Medase
yeah
so issue I very hectic somewhat a compound house so what you said nebia or yire and okunu na bia fie okunu sore tre no si osije ni dem so what you say oh huna no si osije ni dem mbo no osije ni no moti abonti no mudi nko doctor trust ben about trust okunu because waka kampa obi anka say eni sije ni no enye de enyaka good morning and say kuru so what you say so be hu ni pana be chia no good morning oh it say enye nyame adome wo ye motwem but there should be a limit in bibia ye bia wo fidua kese mu because all the time no hwe say bia wo nuku atifie na esija for na even do aware for cry dey e wo obo ne de bi oni ne ku omo hyedem obo ono mu pie omo kokro omo fikro omo agu omo hyedem but e bia na wo ku patanda so yiri particular no one person two persons bi wo fie wa ono de oh me de nipa bia nipa o wo de on pedi penti e ti na wo de obi okobi adam yen kasa obia nua ye obia nua but a limitation yen kasa ejewa wo fie a woni ne te a enye dan en say hello ana say enko once a while bi ne bibia kire wo so e na wo pa de kodire free ejewa nzam but nobody is sure say ejewa oyire wa na say ejewa nua bi kra ho because I am a siga for single persons e wo fie ni married couples sa de doctor ha dwin ye pa o be kan oyire ntie o me de ejewa de ma na me hwe TV some ka se to TV ni ma me flash screen ma be wo so ntobi oyire no enti me de ejewa boyfriend to ma na e wana ukusi onpe free ejewa dem na be hwe ayi Manchester box sa na okunu no so ejewa dem wo ejewa boyfriend to ma na untimi to ye ejewa oye singular oye hello you go wakopa we biatra ye kan oyire kan yentie sa na okunu so kan ye den yentie na ma peace anya den emrefie because doctor said na a hard me fear me timo no aka choda a family house a family house and you know how family house is.
Yes.
So what I say it's I know how I commit myself in the house. Me kwaya coffee dem and no me kwaya kwame dem na me kwaya ekuma dem no
na doc wonum sa asema me sister eke na so am obi aware agu na o compound house say ya no be ma unsa na wuhuro wo mu enti duru anadwo a no de kete abesa bonten na wada enti na one girl nso ye free pa enti obeda ho sa na oba no nso abeda be ma ne nche wo kete ne so anye bi omo je mframenti e ko so ana ha na hire no na na hire ne frɛ ne kunu osempa chaw edura anadwo a wo jame o ha no akoda bonti obeda wa amade ache meso no ba yi odanche enye fa misrew oka oso enye mehwe no madam fo no mframa ne nyina agi ku you believe say enye mehwe no yehu ye no na anadwo ahemrache no oba ne sori ba ye no obema ne butu oba ne so fa abonten so bi so bi ada
we na wo sense kaswa wo sense e kaswa
aka uga ke mi sumi nim bi pa compound house
na ware legu
oba sori no ni kun oje from asa on de kam ne kam o so dem o hye o sori ma cha say na girl no o date no o date girl no compound house no in time ma cha okwaje from no oba no be several times o kan ye no o so na say dem o hye e dry ma cha mbepe bosio no say o
na edem bosuo ayi kan ni mu bosuo
kan
anyway
ti kan no ni oba na eden
ti esramo hwe ma ware yie wai
adehimai ma ya bobo bonsem na so bebre minim se yesafoi ebie punu bebre mama ka se nsema mo ken ma famuda sei ni se na me ye me won se comments ne eba mo ma ne mra mo mekenka mamo na de yekeka we de ni prapra kwan mo me maami a waware 11.5 years ni na nyame ya adom oni ne kun omasidan now right opposite house they are very good me fan say omusi omode na we musu si omode enti omo be say neighbors and families as well when na happen say maami no baba ko e the opposite house ni kun man left e de ko adwuma
e ba na
onim say o man left e de ko adwuma na maami say for 5 months now no what did nani ato ehu say lady no ofinifia no abetena omomo ho papa ne ye ni breakfast na awie a na omo nyina omoko o sa wo chi ehu say o stadium say de bia ni kun fi adwuma ba o ye bie ka ne atum ansa na watene to the gate no abopepe ama watchman no ebie gate no enti o hwe hu say ye opposite house samba we yana Tembia or see if me came. And to a very bold. And I'll catch any say. On the near to well. On can't say, on yan left ma. Obey me, I'm on left. Now, a mom, set time on no be fear. By 9 and now 9:30. Now, Baba, one of the Sutika anymore, Sinu and San Wabano. She is not comfortable.
Can't come as well, dear.
She is not comfortable. Making Mammy, I got that courage, power, and yes, oh, who you care, but what near to form who, dear air coninara, into all the equal see, not your catcher, no, not don't cry, no, and an all catcher, Nikuno. Papa say. Was shan't see a couldn't say meal. Was shan't see a far above our way. Almost 4 or 5 years in it. Said they are just in the neighborhood. Now, girl, no 10 beer, no, the recording about or to me by train, the prince soon him set on the corner. Ain't he own Timmy Yaku could draw? And can't say, girl, they say, ma or bar uncle. So, or bar uncle. Or back us away, Nipper Bonnie. Bibinia na the families will start come asking questions. Alishima munti asma make you. Ebusamba bisan say na baba muni na eko na fe say the o say anything. No say oba no aware. Money transport.
Never marry young girl.
Money transport about say o Jimmy nyampon but say woni be fifiako.
Na ba
late na woni na neba no. O you me. 11.5 years. Me mo ti bone but I think say I'm not comfortable. Be man so ntimi ye. Alishima ma me twa me ho akwaba e ba e beto aso na mo bomodia fa comment ni ba me Instagram page Adom Mazimbi me da say Medase. Welcome back to your show. This is your program. This is your show. This is the only platform that you bring out your issues. We give you the empowerment, education, entertainment, and all the information you get to hear on our show, Odo Ahomaso. And I'm here with my renowned resource persons. Hey, Auntie Abna, the beautician, and the Reverend Minister, Ahuga. Adishima Damasu Papa Mamenkoso and Anajo Black Mosquito Killers say they fly away fly killers and also another insecticide spray. They mami and semani so fear. Mani wo emre bia. Na fa your business and so na bibia and you say come fe. Ewie. Ya beto yan komodi ni so. But me come Instagram so keep your comments coming. Hi Lady Forsen, baby, I salute you. Hey, Rhythms on the Runway, my team, the models, I say hey, I salute all of you. Hope you hear me, Bia. I love you more. Thank you so much. Keep your comments coming, making candy in our mouth. So mama men kan comments kakra na fe ento aso. Na ma me na sem de e beto aso. Wa kan che Nikun said no. Me yes ade a ebusuafo nya bi sa me say aden. 11 and a half years of marriage. Obeya to ne boase the 5 months as steady. Wan koye man obefa tonto abo kon ni bi. Wani ni kratem. But obata pa. Oyo ba se wakoto ene ne kun trase. Se kwame, kweku, abeku, kwesi, wafa yaw. Ade we die. Me di mani ehu. Enya me de. Mentimi nya wo sada me so obi a me kwa adwuma ye nyina ye drive ba me nya sa eno so nche se me mo obi left na wo de wo se da bi da na ebusia bi se wasem ye be hwe eno so ba mama me call me Instagram page na me kind beautiful comments na abeba no hey don't make it too long oh mo ye it too long e be hard don't make it too long for me Butchers today you make special. Thank you so much. Rain, sir, looking good. Akuma, Meda say humble 2440 say Meda say live from Japan for you now. Say that's the Ophelia sir watching you live from Adina. You look good, mom. Meda say papa. Nana say Mama Zimbi, you looking wow this night, pa. Meda you. Eric say hi. Akuma, I really enjoyed listening to Ejewusu when you partnered with the Liberian ladies last week. Of course, tomorrow we told you we're going to continue the conversation. So tomorrow, Jewusu and my Liberian sisters are going to be here. So make time, okay? Thank you so much. Reza, love your show a lot. Me da say from Osaikrom. Hey, Osaikrom for Moho Etches say Eric Bion said me da say. Ni refi so de me da say ba. Enti odi ba lunatic say, whoa, you super tonight. Thank you so much. Mary sir, ma, you look lovely and splendid as usual. Watching you live all the way from New Jersey, USA. We salute all of you. Give to here say, Mama, what you are saying is really true. But guys and ladies of today don't get it. All right. Gifty again says, Mama, what you're saying is true. Guys and ladies of today don't give a limit to relationship when they are in relationship, right? Okay. No, don't give limit to friendship when they are in relationship. They sometimes value friendship more than relationship. Watching you live from North Legon. So thank you so much, Gifty. Huzoa says, I wish my girlfriend is listening to you tonight. And I'm watching you tonight. Because something here can and easy. Equia Perman says, please, Mom, I beg don't waste time on those who are talking. Oh, but I'm not wasting time. Who are talking negative about you? I'm not wasting time. I just want them to know, sir. The Oma Kenya ma take, but you better learn. Thank you so much, Equia Perman. Udina ed the ye papa. Abraham so said, you looking so good, Mama. I have a little problem. There is a lady I love most. In fact, I want to marry her this year. The problem is my mom says I shouldn't because the lady has a son and I don't have. I'm confused and I don't care about the child. What do I do? Some mothers, all we need is respect, God-fearing, and then crystal natural love. Crystal natural love. Mommy, the lady has son. Now, Oba Bema ni bia. I see the problem. Oh, Oba Tampa. Imagine so Oba Bema ne wo ba. Na baba we en wo ba. Ufos en ka do papa na we yi ama Oba Bema na ka o worry no. Please. In fact, me de mensa to mensa yem. Kotobi da for mama no me pa mo chow. Says mama Oba na e confused though. Well, these are some of the issues that say here. Now, if I want to say, your man, I'm at the break, say, one say, my mom, please, I'm a one and the idea. Miss Red, the Henny Subai, or dog, the credit, Yamisro. Oh, but Bemano, and my year at 2 years. Now, your friends say, I saw back my shell. And in here, and yes, I will back, couldn't the Babaman, your moy and Timanco. Miss Ramo,
what kind of crash?
Or this year and so.
What kind of cracks I know to Miss Ramo? Because this issue at I happen baby pa, me pamocho, papa. Auntie, sweetie, your baby come. My wonderful resource persons are here. Okay, Dede say, Mom, you look good. This topic is very delicate and needs to be addressed really well. Ma'am, all right, we are on. All right, special one, sir. There is a lady I'm in love with. She told me she's not interested, but she is jealous anytime she sees me in a mix of ladies. Please, what's her problem? Bet me so. What's so no? Now what's all team members are my jealous?
Konangokaya on swa, on mobbing koswa. I don't know, yes, sir.
Be an open, but sometimes yeah, money be young no. No, I don't. I'm not interested. But who said
I can't say me door?
Yeah,
it is so donna. Coffee, me door. No more the other bodom. na move forward now what there was on can you name or memoir because oh what dre so what dollar so one no onim it's in our memoir e be a man no or so benya for omu a na ya jealous thing ye nua ba no obey yes onye yes no
no so
but I think say
onye no
I think here say Odo be man but I ho check akra it no expect say e be the kind of a man so or dano na bibi and I who sa
obetwa akosi na hin
okay and what can be
o dro no wo so kire wo sa wo no no on twen wo kosi na hin e bi ono so ready opeso o ware
we see the pia ka kire wo it is how they say yeah
how 2440 say or can be Abraham Lincoln say no this you are the one saying for the marriage, not your mom. Be a man, not a boy. That he was answering him. Okay. And know what you want in life. But we also need to listen to our parents sometimes. But we need to also give them education. Because sometimes, accusations, questioning, sometimes we don't really need it. Okay. And nice, sir. 9:13 said, Mom, I think the husband should put his wife's feelings first. Okay, about the story I just told. No, somebody's answering here. Or say, I think the husband should put his wife's feelings first, and he should not bother about what the lady or her family could think after he stopped giving her lift. Say. Okay, that puts us to discuss this issue. Now, what do you think?
Aya wo yire e na waware no. Enti na o na lift no de oye outsider. Wabua na kopim baby onipa be ye bi. Wa me ni nyina. Enti baby a wabua na kodu no wo yire se na ni nyi hu bie mu jai. Ka kire no se nice way kwa bi so betimi a chenso. Se bia me kura me woni ma bebre anya da bia na me ba fie straight into the sa wo fo se be hawa wo betimi ama ne car no ska no de afa car
no suggest man
so ehu enti ehu yin ase chenchire nti se wa kwadwuma wo be ko ba bia into wo ma be na mana tena kam na de na ko chinchin sa ba bia wo ko ansa na wo de na ba fie me suspect say obema no anya interest bi oba ni munti no say because anya sa enka ha no say obeka say all man live to be say dia no ba na busuafo obeka ale so omo be ye wonse no mo ana wo offend wo mo ebe ye omo ya enti esro be ma no so do na yire dia ontie dia na yire ka no na onya obema oba na left man na sumdue ene odo enya adwuma e wa ware ni.
But sometimes any neighbors have families as well. Now, here, so all over the years, Ordineko Eba, for over 5 years. Now, Basia, do you think the families will take it lightly?
Oh, so, okay.
As they say, yes, I'm asking. Obano and two and among. Now, Uncle Catcher. About one parents and I say on China Bema Nankasa enkoye
Doctor Bema ni yina no say say oka sa sam no kire abayewana ni parents no ebe offended Bema na di adwen no wo say dia me ma me kan ye say eye mere friendship neighbor friendship oya abayewa on worry ye wadu ni mpeni fie so a otime twempra ye den eye so on say identity no and no yere edi nani aden ato form ehu wani mu nyina emwa ebe ha adwen eden semeba wa fro wo sesa ono wo de wuntimi doctor se lokunu lu so ntimi a oyere no doctor we anya boni o omo ye neighbors ni kuna boa na 4 years 5 years sana ma nipa be wa me ni nyina obetime simupi na wako oba na ne maame nche ne papa nche wa fra o matrase me nue miss way me die bayu em say adie bi koso me de mani aiden atu form ehun se ni sei na mesramo mo de die mo me ne bi ku kura aiden aka or say, I'm a panel, be a bit of night. I'll call. Your poem, Mr. Mera, I had the Canada, the breath. So, never bore mamma, in the polite way.
See, the woman can just go forward.
The woman can go forward. Okay. And you pass or train trends, because Ceciano, mamma was not a visa problem. We take your hammer. Bemano, say mamma kind. Oh, make it interest. I will buy one more. Eh, dear, your first papa not drink crying. And this was that. But I be out in the car, my buy one flex. Or the child, or the Natia, your committee, not guarantee front. Because my didn't hear to who said, you go later 9:30 the Waba. Yeah, she or bar or 1 4 bar. Not near 2 or 5 months. I stayed where be away home. Not near 2 or 5 months steady. And yes, you'll be catch no, but you're no way. No, I catch your crew. Now, crew said, meet me. And yes, I bush and funnel or bar. I mean, a bad day. If I'm going to open the line very soon for you to really call and contribute. There are a lot of Instagram messages here, but let me read them for you. Me read them after my beautiful lines, you know, at a mammo. Frank, cool, sir. I'm currently with my wife watching this wonderful show. Keep the fire burning. All right. Swagger for all. All right. I'll say, Akuma, my name is Matthias. I'm watching you live from Nigeria. I like the program very much. Or so hi Matthias. Thank you so much. Ima Ziki said, Akuma, you're looking good tonight. Ima from DC dan someone must say. Na Koshi said, you're looking great, mom, may I say. Paul said, all I can say is that if you are with someone, it's best to listen to your partner. Paul, bless you. Samantha says, gorgeous, may I say. Susie, hello to say, always beautiful. It is by his grace. Makap said, looking good, may I say. Ekria said, Akuma Mama Zimbi, in fact, I always love your laughter. Really? When you laugh, I become so happy. I just love the way you are. But I say, Doctor, I'm trying. One will be a new. What's so said, dear crop? What's Syria? And money near the Raho Cranan and near. So, the real program ready.
It is by his grace. In fact, honestly, and Odo Ahomaso, and that's what he has. But radio and television. Just say, Nipa the same ebony mood. Yet must say, Jennifer says it's wrong to take off your wedding rings. Is it wrong to take off your wedding rings when you feel like, especially when you're going out? Please, I just want to know.
Going out, okay.
Wait. Jennifer, you're asking, is it wrong to take off your wedding ring when you feel like, especially when you're going out? Please, I just want to know. But for me, see, Jennifer, you know what? Sometimes when I'm going out, and yes, I intentionally, but sometimes I leave my rings down, and somebody say, "Hey, now where's your rings in the hall?" Charlie, the rings in there. It doesn't make anything. When you're married, it's in your heart and your mind. Because there are some married men and some married women with their rings, They are prostitutes with your ring on. So if today you're going out and you don't feel like wearing your ring, your husband or your wife shouldn't be angry. That is why you need to know each other more. You need to trust each other. All right? Ring in there and come your way there. And your life be keke. There's nothing in this ring. There's nothing in the ring. It is you who will make it work. It is you that you be faithful to your husband or wife. It is you that will be faithful because give me a promise ring. What does the promise ring do for you? Please. It will not do anything. So, sweetheart, for me, when you go, you're a married woman, you're a married man, and one time you don't feel like wearing your ring and you go out with, there's nothing wrong. I'm not gossip person, I'm not arguing. Those who gossip. But leave them, baby. Flow. Be natural. Be yourself. Be real. Okay? Don't like me. I'm real. I'm artificial. Yeah. I'm real. I'm like, that is it. I'm happy. I always happy myself. I don't wait for anyone to come and happy me. No. Charlie.
If nobody go happy, you happy yourself.
Yanko Poma, the patch me. When the one who created me in his own image give me life, I am happy.
Also.
That is it. To Jennifer, don't get too worried. Maybe your husband will be jealous, but for me, oh, Philip, where do you All right, let me activate the phone lines for you so you can also call and contribute. Discussion here, beer now so wide, but our mother, 11 and a half years of marriage, was steady for 5 months. And who said that this lady in the neighborhood, their neighbors, their family, their friends, so their family friends. And there's this lady here, anytime goes with the husband and comes back with the husband. And she's steady and she's not comfortable. She's bold and she said it. Yeah. But the husband says, sweetie, I cannot go and do that. On your day, Friday says, see, I never again bra. Yeah, that black mosquito coil. So I say every Thursday and Fridays, yet to me the Odo Ahomaso at the Bremo. Yeah, the master said, my dear, I broach a gun, baby, I had a master. And Russell, so I see a Friday children. With me, a friend, Cecilia, it was 0302 211 701 0302 211 702, right? 0302 211 703 and I say 0302 211 704. Mr. Wo and I'm on television volume no abafom. Sabi ofra and mama son and ya. Oh. Sikani epa ya hospital. Na me say dey wo sifa dom efa. O gbegbe low television the volume no. Na wakasa ma na efe. Hwe wo low ni sans no akasa obibia te enye chan. Hello David.
Hello.
Me da say. Ye ma akwa ba the board Odo Ahomaso David.
Yo, agron so.
Me da say na David do frevi hin.
Me patra me kata se takwade efforts.
Hey, takwade. Me da say. Yes, he stay Kramodi festival bi wo ha nyagro.
No crepa. Me the wife kwa be ko bi.
Yo, David yetie o.
Me patro my wife na. Pesa ka me na fidie so na me da na sepa.
Wow.
Na otimia wade mamia ya na mentrase.
Mama wase gume.
Me de so. Na wakacha no se me da na sepa nyankopon ma na kwatenten.
Wow.
Na adwumpa bia owo ya wale mu no. Nyankopon tonsupa engusuma.
Yo. Me patro wo yire wo ho.
Me patro wo ha.
Na your friend is saying.
That's your friend Mrs. Emilia Kwansa.
Mrs. Emilia Kwansa. Me patro G phone no wo kun se mame. These are some of more of this we want to hear. Auntie Emilia. Hey. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
It is saying.
Yamanadmo.
But your mouth is mamma mente.
Yamanadmo.
Yaminadu yampa. Yankuponara. One Tony Barra don't shout at say. It will take 1,000,000 years for some men to say publicly, our body, Mrs. Emilia Kwansa, our takrade, for him to say, sir, thank my wife for me. Oh my God. Sweetie, may I say, now this special part now, we want to know, we want to learn. Odo Ahomaso dear, a educational kasayetio.
To say I'm kwanda, say I'm tonda mabesen.
Me pacha say,
say I'm kwanda, me ba mota de breno.
Okokwanso, e wo obi okokwanso ton ade. Na ba auto ade be che no. Me nye sure say no pe. No, I don't think it's just that. Ye pese esua de nipa pempem na etie o obu okokwan so ene e bebia wokokwan so ba wo ye great selection ebre wukunu ya che e ya sempa e de embiom
Mpotende mana odo su kwa.
o se den niama ne doso e bia onya ni how obekokwan so ba nyina akra no obehwe fie osiesie fie oye niama bebre oye onye oba knaman no ye oba egiamoa oh remember bebre empe ma obukasa bebre o oh Mr. Kwansa nyame nhira won so eneta kwadefo ma wade beso ya boso enti entie de Mr. Kwansa wabode ira baso yi de nyina ye fansakra ya brabo na yie ento yie yeah
so your ba wo hwe na wo nye bibi ma wukunu e ma ontimi enkasa me dasia
yeah
wo susua na ye
People show say Momula in Kati, yeah, you can still call back. This is your program. We need very great testimonies like this. Now we be able to free more. So, open what time this for so many years. Come on, handkerchief.
on tomani kunu
Come on, underwear. Baby, no conflicts. Come on, to be my on Michelle Lancy, some conflicts. On to be crama ni kunda.
There be or no jifu
Baby,
Doctor, a mema no so a. A man so be your ma woman so. Said ye nua ben. Ayamani kun. And that's efe. Say ye momo a. Omo pɛ mu nya den. Enka no mu appreciate. Say nya de tokra nya conflicts na nya tie na nya bibi kura. Efi anasa ware na mutimu. Niema nketengete bi wo ho a. Oba ye den eyem okun. Yeah. So what you say? I was so moka. Nema yesu ye den. Ye nije. Yo. Mabna ba Ahomaso. Me ma akwa ba di bodo amaso mabda.
Me that
say. Wow. I love your voice. Na mabna ofrefi he.
Pacho me frefro say chrome.
O say chrome. Me pacho me chia me hima. Eni o tikoko so. Me da say. Yo, mabna itio.
Me pacho aye istuna na mo kano about papa na o picky lady bi oni area o de kuni ku ejuma no.
Yeah.
Sabi me te femi hu sesenka ye oba na na ye sa na ko picky be ma de kwa nkanya ade anka ni kuro ne bepene.
Ompene 2 days mbo.
Ompene inti ye be sre papa ne se ontwa bibia so de na ye ma me ba ko no e ka se sister ni simu na onko efie ho
okay
na onko ka bibia na esuntwa no enu mo di abotoye mo beba
okay
den se woni wukunu te wa de bia wanchi ni we na efa na ni je ni fie na tino on sim na onko ka enche family ni nyina itichira bibi ni a na obi ahu se bibia sei na ede echo.
All right. We are so grateful all the way from Osei Chrome. Mabel, ewo Dakuman. Yamako abadiba Odo Ahomaso. Hello, Mabel. Yeah.
Akuma.
Akuma, Mama Zimbi.
Akuma, Mama Zimbi.
Me da se uboni si al madase. Yo, Mabel, Dakuma to say.
Passion, cool.
All right. Let me share Grocer Ventures.
I'll show you.
All right.
Kuma.
Yes.
Me paucho. Me matiun kapa. But me nyata me fi juma bano. Na ma bre.
Okay.
Nsene die man ko juma na mto me hwe.
Wow.
But nanka sa me wo problem bi e ha me.
Manemra.
Me nyanka me ma start show bi. Asulo me program. If the someone is some piece of advice, be checked.
Manemra.
Me paucho, mini Bema be war.
More champion.
Bema mini they call out for almost 1 year.
All right.
Now mini call out. Me Bema na say, Okacha say o 2 coin. Me hunu na nchebia no 2 coin.
Okay.
So oba yemono. And Okacha me say, oba. O akwentu mo Okacha me say oba. Enche. Obeba de hu me busiafo.
All right.
Ba fe be ma ne baaye no. Nyama na okan nyina me hu bibia fa. Ntini sumi di meni ato ho na me ye de.
O hwe no.
Yes, ena onim se me ejuma ye de. Aspen.
Oh.
Because say me nye obi ejuma ntini an me I'm trying to do my own business.
Yeah.
Ena me ka say me nya container. Into so bit me one with an amount of money I made the account.
All right.
I mean to me day. Mean to me need you.
Who can amount any treno?
What you say?
Who bo amount now? Unya saw the boa. Who bo amount any treno?
Say, me war 3,000. Into any amount of it a mamma no me.
Wow.
Not too okay. Oba oba mamma. Ba o fe oba no. Oba ya me kwasra ne mo no me kodi be 1 week one ho.
And they so diwa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
No. Ba me ni nya bibi
Okay.
Afternoon etre no. Me woni honom na me ko hu say sana o ba fufu bi wo me mechi. Nti afa ye the ball crash.
Oh, there be oba no wo ho ansa na wo ba.
Oba ne yes, me hwemu no asa oba no wo.
Oba ne wo ho ansa na wo ba.
Nti se na me nim.
Nti
oba mu no na me ya be hu ni kre no.
All right.
Ye be ball crash. Me kre nim. Me ka chega ni so ntimi choose of me ana oba no. We ntimi enyi ya no. Na na down for the fa oba ne ko ye.
I see.
Nti echi no me ye se metu me hofo. Bo ba no be pa me cho no me kan ntem be breeze say.
Obe pa o cho said day.
Oso ni oba no wo ho ansa na ohu me.
Okay.
But oba ne ni ye. Nti na oye jai oba no no be fa me.
Obo awo dada o.
Nti o kan sa na me see you mate. Me gusine ne chi. Ba be some days ni. Na me hu se me nyem. Me ka chere be ma no.
Osiko yigu.
Me friend ka chere no. O se me nwo.
Okay.
Ba fe echiwe no. Me friend is se na de na ye me ni think be ya. O ma mi ska Fanko hospital. O se ha.
They go say aden say de ye wo no. Wonti think ka wo pese wo say na na.
Dabi, ka o ma mi ska because o se me nwo.
Okay.
So ma mi ska na Fanko hospital.
All right.
Afi ska ni mu am ko bisaye no. Na afi boy be ma ne start so. Oni be kasa rough.
Onu be kasa rough more. Onu be kasa rough more.
I didn't have me. And I'm a fro papa. A born a man. Into papa catcher and say, or best friend a ban. A papa no or going to.
Okay.
But me no papa na casada. So papa is a best friend about their man. On a casa. Into come and say, can share me say, am I wrong or right?
You are right. You are wrong from the word go. Tie. Yes, say wouldn't na udia umu. But wouldn't na udia ubewu. The American ati say, say wo kro mu ho no. Mu chi bibi na wunnim na wudia hwenyew. Na wunnim pass ade we ye chi ensisi ye dina kodia bibi be ye. Any say oba ye no say ono wo ono twempna emu hokro di wansa na woko na oba be ware o. Oba ye wani agi o so ba be ware me wakwa kodi ni nchen 1 week. Emu kono ena wo hu say odeti sa wo bi wo ho eno kra na ye me akuma mama zimbia ye me zimejane kia come I'm sorry because you say who say sound is any pan wo ho ansa na wo ba hwe and yeah what said that but man on the oya wo fo say we hu into this girl kra is she not thinking
o hu afono no
and it's o half no but of say I was unya adwin bi well me man de wo do hu mama do fudi on bedi wo but up say ultimate sorry we ye bonaka say me I'm not a second fiddle and me if you am film and you send the crown on your sure say wo say no me ba to ma say adi so show ye wow on your sure say no or feel say wouldn't so you be sure and I will say or why would wa can't to us mu and wa come mu incredible what the amount so ba wa would no wa kwanyem ahye no debi wow and I won't feel say na opa kire wo study no wo sa
odo na sa
anko ba opa wa se a ono aka se obe wa wo na wa promise wo no anka wo nyem a
ka ni je
obe ka se hospital na ye nhwe. But on my own panic just someone scan hospital. Na me nua ba tie me. You have 3,000 Ghana cedis. 30 million. And then na wunya container. Ebe kakra ebe umetibi edi atop bibi. Na business na cost so wetin na container ni mo. We always want men to add money to our monies before we can do something. Please. But no better than no kwasa ne 2000 come ka say wo na eni ho mabu musia aka say any say Mabel, are you there?
In trying.
Me boa.
In the cray.
Me pacho, would you? Me de. Say, anya dear, why being so good in Senegal? But it is his responsibility. So I was so to me sure now we'll found back. Meanwhile, no pan, Charles on my waffle. And to say, what jeans are on him? It's by force on my wire, dear Emma. So, won't you know any guarantee so worry by force? Never, I was so to me show. Dear, a year important. They say, I was so to me show. Now, what to me will ever on foul back. Now, we are no way, you are just the baby mama. Me patrol to say, and you remember soon. Na bom paye ti em ko ma ahoden na timi kura akwala no what you say na sa girl no wo nya no let mama nka che munye mienu pe o munye be 5 be ma otututu akwan no play mu no girl bi tran nchen wa rap sa girl no okoye transit no when you obi asan rap no enti je nkwan na odi wo odi ma be nu me dey say the truth is bitter ai enti me dem ba o se de tie enti we dey hu se obi na anyem wo se oba papa na nye wo kunu ba cho de maka wate
Achoyo.
Aha enyi se ne kra mani meguso e mani se me di ubi onguso how many months of pregnant or how many months
Almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months wa meguso anya hwe wo be wa fa oba e mema no fi abrochi be di omo yire mo ri mo nyimpa da bokọ Omungusu and some more very bouncing babies. And some money by that down. Omo usikano J because we go hospital. But on Klani Niama, a combat do, or combat dog J. And what you can do again is say, let your parents know. Say guy, was show you insane or promise of a while and was show you insane. But you are not begging him to come and marry you. All you want him to do, say, taking care of you while you're pregnant. The American what you say? And you catch your parents. Now, one friend, no one in Casa. Now, what in the bush be apart from the papa na Casa or outside?
On bush, ni papa na yo be a minute Casa.
Now, what in the bush any be a
meaning apart from papa, my name is sister.
This is our Ghana, ha?
That you know so.
Wouldn't the bush any be a
no.
Ghana, ha? Wouldn't the bush any be a
meaning the bush any do Ghana.
Wana
Nebra penny.
Okay. Okay. It's on him sawanyam.
Onim.
Ma wona moto. Da kuma wote no. Ochina no pa. Nyame boa na de pancho. Na wutwi wo se edware wie dress enya breakfast bi dia. Baby I was so connect. E da wo jam yasenso a. Baby I was connect e won ne brother na ho. Credit son. Baby, I also connect on a brother. Can you see on the brother? Can make us say the only they cast our broche crass, ne papa, baby, and any papa. Some of these guys, they are bad. Oh, Miss what worrying in a unit. Oh, but no bad dad. No, I will go. Oh, why? That's what I say. If I'm a chow, maybe I'm no may. You see, I come Mama Mazimbi. I've passed through your stage before. Na say no na say be me bia hu oba na say me pa me ware pe no for say me jan me homa no no me da ana me make sure say me nyi mama no nana ma ya ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso
no don't
me das nana ma na fra fi hin
Saturday
wow takwade for what so yes is stay mo ye festival bi pa
Oh,
okay. What you haven't run Coco? Go, I say, Matse, none by it you.
The issue now, somewhat something. The being for 11.5 years ago.
Yeah.
Hey, don't put any more say, man, no, you know. Are they at the same workplace? And I say, Obi a different workplace now man let's see.
Omo different workplace. And see omo go see her there is a walking distance from the man's office to her office. But when in the same office. So when she closes, she walks back to the office wait for the man. Say, oh, me fan so be by 6 years. No upon. Watch a class 6 years. No upon. Say, Papa made it 2 hours, 3 hours for you, ma. Never.
Oh, and then it is very bad because a mother, you can't miss it. Now, Obi to know our reno. With me, every year, my Pama business, the action, you know. Now, what's running about there? Very bad.
Yeah.
They are very bad because if there is nothing going on between them, why say? With me, 2 hours, so about 9, 10 hours.
Yeah.
Internet day, you know, everyone say
every day.
Or question anything about it.
What question? My mama said no, I cannot stop. I mean, we are neighbors, we are family friends.
If there is nothing going on between them, how this sort of money is difficult.
Okay.
Or question say, dear, we can find this some way, dear. Oh, now say the main concept, and I think because we are concerned,
yeah.
Yes, to avoid those things. A cost for a bear a month, a lady, no matter fan waging.
I'm a fan of waging, but I think, for say, lady require enjoy husband more than the woman because I'm upon the bedroom. Say 1 hour journey to the office here. You know when you're coming back. Now we'll come by at 9:30. Yes, sweetie, go ahead. I'm listening.
And they very bad. Nothing not a member for me.
Yeah.
This means to a court, lady no parents was to be a thing to the no say costing to say. It be say
okay.
All right. Every bomb says, you know. Omun kasancho mobana because the madi ebi mu ye kwabone pa
okay
so we you pan so no obi oti no ban so fan compile so if there is something going on between them when I so be ya obi na ko na fan ho twen no
na make you obi me aka so okay me fa but still obi meeting no and see them pa bo
we are saying o ban ko be tiye no baby na lo
okay.
Obesnia Belgium, no Kakura Belgium minister, no Flabba. Don't compile.
Yeah. All right. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. What program any? Obi you want to ask some of the Banamu contribute say na ye bo ato your name. Yo Edith e wa Shema Newtown. Ye ma kwa body ba Odo Ahomaso. Hello Edith.
Yes.
Oba just more done so.
Me
that's Edith yet here.
Me pacho hello.
Me pacho ka say it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I really enjoy the program very well.
Me that's thank you so much Edith. What have you learned or what do you want to have to share?
I want to talk about the woman and the husband.
The husband. That is serious, so.
That's it. Yeah, I've learned a lot and I really enjoy the program.
Thank you.
You're looking good.
By His grace, so.
Yeah,
so what do you have to say?
Trying to be faithful with the wife.
Okay.
Yeah, because why should you listen to the lady you pick her, the family or the parents than your wife? It's not fair, do you understand? You love your wife. You build with her. You are in a house with her. I don't think there should be something bad telling the lady.
So if you were the wife, what will you have done? If you were the wife, what will you have done? Oh, so sorry. You can always call back. This is your program. This is your show. The issue is our issue. Hello, Mabna.
Hello.
Yeah, Mabna, what's up? So kasabitio.
Me pachona me wo we bi na me kasa me de to anim na nka mo bo me kakra.
Me pacho kasa.
Me pacho me ni me kunu ya ndada na ye ware 2 years ni.
This is a different Mabna.
There be ono a Mabna ofre na.
Mabna una wonyam no.
Me pacho there be me na me frɛ ya me contribute about the issues issue na man na pick you obi.
Okay, sure. Me pacho koso.
Okay, kuma.
Yeah.
Me pacho me ni me kunu ya ndada na ye ware.
Okay.
Ya ware 2 years ni na. Pese mo bo me kakra me kunu ni be man so.
Ni be man so
me bre pa anti otu kwan ya na me ni agi.
Okay.
Nti oba na ye ayam sisiye.
Yeah.
Ayam sisiye pa nya sam kitwa.
I know. Na was my di. Where nya me se dia kra because many who be. Emma mami what de be ani kunu me de bia na se ekro. Nti de bia na se ekro. Or catch ne me mane call the doctor ma because Jano ko no slow. Na me ko Jan doctor on ye ko kan ye de ring ni ade hye nche we ma de onye. And so be ma ne ntonebo. Ntonebo nti I know where you are coming from. Eh yankasa. Wo kumba fie pe na ye ma hye. Okopa na ho ato. Wow.
Because of sex.
Wow. Wow. I you know ye ne say ntonebo ana say e de na oye.
On say o startina open ya otonebo by mo na oye na eye ne de no na o run kefe.
No pia shame. I didn't say so pia ni na shame. Oh. Kote na kasa 3 inches pe na edo. E wase den. Yo, okay, sweetie. I think sir, yes, say love making, you know. When we making love, we need to communicate. And say, yeah, me say, we communication about more. Not screaming too much, but before you start, mobile romance, you know, near there, we shall say, no, I can't, Kwame, what would him? So we are bema. We more drew. And say, what to? Well, satisfied in the mind. Yes, you need to really talk through when you're making love. I mean, money who, and so you will be a very great commentator. Yeah, quite you know, kasa more. What would they make? So that you need to be making him up because Bema dear, any day. So, man, ne tenting in the air. Say, Cassia, na wuka, na ne tenting the air. As soon as what? Okay. And you know, in fact, he also needs counseling. Upra, who said? Who said? No, this is serious. Who said? Because her son at the end, no, she only enjoy a little. Oh, maybe I saw I am Mao. Wow.
Na girl on grow.
Now, what maybe I do you wear on for? Okay.
And so still.
Now, because Betty won't say, I didn't yankopon abo, natural, elastic. And she said, well, won't for the I will say it to me, expanded a crack. And I won't for you now, so you have the pains.
Yeah, me twice to say.
Won't say, I'm to say, the way a Bemani Buddha,
yeah.
Won't say, a position, and a positions where I am.
Me more to crank in a on one a dada mea.
Okay, until I think, sir, Berman so here can such a crack. Maybe or the type of 1% obika na warrior set. Your maybe, sir, and you're very bold. Oh, one is a very good mood, no, but you the way you suffer because one has what the pains I will go through. Why you bold that man who said, eh,
my country no. But I want to own him said, yeah, me midden.
That is why, okay.
Oh dear,
Mama communication, Ramo. Why?
Pain honor, non cassa. I say, Hannah, dear, what the why? Yeah, yummy yapa. In that incident, I found what that side said. I can. Yeah,
but I also think one change my answer. On started and psychic, not J. Wonk. Now, I'm on bomb come in this year, so because before they start, no. Certainly, no. Yeah, hello, my main family, last 2 callers. Now, yeah, discussion. This is very important because many baby are happy to so many friends on this issue. Up to now, you must share quite a bit of phone. Yeah, baby, so need you, dear. No, me ma kwa body Odo Ahomaso. Hello. Yeah, hello, Kwame. Bra Kwame.
Hello, madam.
Me da say. Yeah, ma kwa body Odo Ahomaso.
Yeah,
that's it. Now, for FIFA, Bra Kwame.
You are my bread, papa, and people brown for no one.
Hey, be a fool. Bravo. Yo, Mate, yet you.
My chest was an immediate.
Yeah, that's it. And my boat say, yet you.
Maybe now, okay, we say, or call no more about matter. I bet what now. on na ye na me kaka
me ba cho yo
kaka me kan de isi me ma na ya ba no isu ba no aye adie bi a the farm man say the form at the trade if you mo ba ni say o sa ni isu ba mboni okay ye ye ho and then we are man so look mo ko ye kura u bi ni ibisu ni bia ne papa e tanu ma
on timen kan papa bia
ukuro mpete su di na ma ibika dinka me say ye ya ye bembe ye ho no me ye ho say ni lodo oguro ye so no ne zane baza na ye bi on so yo ko so amani
yeah
won say ye be wale ye bembe ye ho na be ye ma ye ho en kiri ye pi na ma no so a ofa obi e de ne ko be bia ne ba ye di no o ku fe ko pe en ko pie no e baza na ni ti de ye o ni hu ni pe bi adam fu won fan to na ni no ni ukuru nkata
yeah
so e da e be asmi bie do ba
yeah that's it papa ma me fa me next caller na fa me fa caller bia bia me ma kwa ba de Odo Ahomaso hello me ma kwa ba de Odo Ahomaso
Adonso
me that's it me ba show dey ni be bia free
me dun dey shan
yo e shan na free he
me free agun kwanta wasin oyin
wow yeah that's it me ba show it you
agun kwanta wasin oyin
yo western region yeah that's it me ba show it you
me pese me ka master no ye mo
oh my left no
me ka master no ko adima na ya no fa oba no
ai na make odi oba ne kwa anopa mu nyina fifi anopa enyume umba no mu nyina nso aba e na yire se bebi adu de ontim kasa
se enya de papa ndi brema no se o hwe mi anya sa
Mente oh god
on was studying
on shene hu ye yo
odia wa go ba na from
yo
na oba no so mbom wodi so obobon ho mpai
me pa cho yo
na ebe ya me sabe kan kumba
all right
ya ya agro man de wan han ya
ohun ye
wan han ye ohun ye
yo yeah da myself papa what's the region for na BA4 baby bia wo bia wo hwe Odo Ahomaso contribute Instagram and are calling as well na we da say the friend so bomb pa ye man yeah da myself papa and yen some no wo ye yo olani ke se midasi midasi mama Zimbio and mama Cindy mama Zimbi akuma mama Zimbi. All right, thank you. Shatta 4 say, Mama keep up with your good work. Educate our ladies. May I say, I'm just not educating just ladies, all the guys, the ladies, the women, the men. By His grace, everybody. Sherry said, Mama, you too much, oh. Now go day. Princess said, Akuma, that is the name I always remember in cantata. When I was young, I always dreamed of being your husband. I really love your program. Keep the fire burning. Brother, you're late. You're too late. I've been married over 24 years. You know what I mean? And so you're late. That's a praise. But if you're not married, I have wonderful women there who are looking for wonderful men to marry them. So please get back to me on 0244 261200. 0244-261200. It's also a WhatsApp line, so you can send me a WhatsApp message, and there we go. Bless you, Prince. Okay. Kukua said, I love this woman. She's too much, no size. May I say. Kukua, I love you more. May I say. Okay. Shari says, loving this program. Or Betty Owusu says, please, not wearing a wedding ring, especially going out, will create a problem. Then why do you have to leave it? Yes, I know. In some areas, in some marriages, it will create a problem. But we are here educating, say, whether she or he wears it is not a guarantee. The marriage depends on you, not the ring. Okay? So if once a while you see your partner without the ring, you shouldn't be angry. You shouldn't be angry at all. Anameboa? Yeah, you shouldn't be angry. Thanks for your contribution. Mekoya, sir, Akuma, I'm not yet married, but your program has enlightened me and I have learned a lot. Thanks so much. I am so grateful that you're learning. Sweetie, keep on learning and everything will be okay. Boatin says, Akuma, Odi Sika, right? Okay, Odi Sika. And when will you invite me for my Chinese sex position? It's so fantastic. Sweetie, if you are ready, just send me an SMS message. All right? And if you are ready for sex position, but you should know that it's educational. And yes, misbehaving. No, we are educating. We are educating. All right? So if you are ready to educate, fine. Because I don't have it all. That is why I practice it with my ladies. Sometimes the positions, they even bring them up. It's not me. All right? Right. Okay, so when you're ready, just let me know. We're going to do so many things here. All right. Yenyi in Samnano. A lot of people are saying, Mami didn't put the idea see. But a young girl now, when you want to about Warina, or 2 months go by or 1 week, a honor realizes, say, oh, girlfriend, first, no, say girl, no, or her name say no. The girl was there before she came and she accepted. Say, so on him. Gani Mwano, what are we saying? Say, no, no, there are a lot of ladies now. Now, Easter festivity, see, Emma Bebre, Banyem,
children.
Emma, Memani Bebre, sweat deny more.
Valentine's
Bebre, switch infections, Bebre. So you better keep it safe if you're not married. So the American I wanted there are a lot of condoms. Types. Baby, get it. But make sure you know how to wear that condom properly. Otherwise, a pie. Mama, ya babano.
In fact, Niameka Chilene say me ma ban e fa na mu ya kohwifo mu nka no kware. E fa. Kakra bi na di no kore. Ansa na o mehu wo no na ono obi ho wanka nkyere wo wadi kan di untro. Oka so obe ware no opewo no wadenti no oka so obe ware. Okwa brochire no nso meka bia bi kro wo yire ne ma wo ho no mo ne ono owo ha no no kro anim. Enti no wansa wo pesika wo ma wo a wo de be kwaso na se so odo na sa. Odo na sa ompe wo kra wanimu ahwe. Enti no media ka me nkodi anka mesa ne se onyi awaresem no emfi na dwim so manyin senti na trap or the be ware me da bi onyi free na dwim
na adwem ba yefru no ho
omra yefru nya odo ma bofra no hye yefru ni no so bisa ni sika so okoso to na wa amano a wo so onim ne brother bi o ha no mo fa nkoto na anim ana e bi onim panifuo bi wo fa nto o anim na omwa no sa wa amwa no kura sane a wo ka no wo sika kakra hye sa I saw takra yi koton enkasa wo pa bi adwuma kese bia ya ketwa na ba hyase no awrade betimi ato nsupagu so ama watimi anya bi adi anya bi ahwa wo ba no wudachu nim di akwada no obeya ma no ba ne kro no owo ha no se ema
ono kwa yenwa no e dey se be wa no
ya we se kro yire na sa oba no se wo foso sa chinchina wo a wunyin se opese sto no obe ma ne ntra na mfoso no nware a se ma adutuo ayo mu de papa obetimi kura de wa fa ba bia ma wa twere wo nkwa twere wo ba no enti won tena ne ho na se na aka ye ne mo ha ne so obe mo be ma na begu so
Debi mama ni nguso
kwasi abuo no anya bu awie aware ne nya de obe ware
obewu afa oba
adom na wo fa oba nya me betimi asiesie obe ma fine ama wo obe do obe sakwada nim kura hwe no enti mesre no onsusu ni areho na dwendwen
emfini afa nso me de kan me nua bai asana me nua ba abna be kasa no sike bia be say ye kanya no so o ma sike bia be say wonyin sen no bia no short ho me mfa bi nka ho be truthful to yourself enti pe notebook di sike bia be say bia de short ho Shorto, but you can also go to Dovso. Na share the ombe amount. Okwa ombe make sure say on one panic also on waro. Nemo, nyinsen na also to be share. Na o fa ho e fa wo ba. Abnankasa.
Na doctor me so kakra meka e wo ye nuaba no. Se de kan no ye nua no ma no. I was so mum ni ye den. They should shine their eyes. Nurses ukita 3,000. Ukita 3,000. Also your container. Na container na size be no pe. So what I say? Na container size be fa kon udi kwa kosi. E yo no ani fie. Ye nim say yo no ani fie say e baby mpo. Obeti me I go the container 1,500 or 1,500 be fa niam ayede. Egum.
E do so kwa dodo. Obeti me container 1,000.
So
now the niama 500 kwa shasie kakakakra because here to now the so nyina afra na wo de here so on say be sramo obi biara obotai wo de so enti wo your ba me de man me quantity say so put 50 Ghana cedis na wo pesa wo to anka akutu kwadu mango banche brodier you can start ben can say be maybe for the sika e me kan wansa
bro no we
na adi so in the container no matter na adi ene se wanyimi yo ene se wanyimi also me de no kra na me kwaso aka edi amamo me kan so me nsuro because no kra no eno na me ka Shadrach Abednego anyway
Shadrach Mezaka
and Abednego one more kan ko nkoda jeta buonu jeta ntimi we wo mo wantimi entimi san no kra no ena me tia me ka kra we so better take it and take it good from me because sometimes you ma me moa sabi e bi na pastor bi kra moa bi na wona na bi amoa wonu ne ye ntafo ka moa but we are here telling you the gospel truth me da say bebre na ehia me number me pa chow me number na WhatsApp number wo fra me 12 na me fa WhatsApp with me voice recorded message wo dey voice no for me metie na maboa enti 0244 261200 0244 261200 ofra 12 na me fa WhatsApp line you record it never send me metie me you are no mama na me wonderful cameraman say and then me sound man are very young and energetic. I am so grateful. MCR, you are just super. Producer, director, Prince Anina J. And I'm a movie, man on name. Much your internet so. Mwah. Yet dromododo. Mukamu. And Odo Ahomaso enyi from grace to grass. Share. From grace to grace. Auntie Abna the Beautician, we are so grateful to you. Ahuga, the Reverend Minister.
No,
no shaking. Yadamasio, we love you more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.